Yep.
Yeah. I don't know what that is.
I don't know, but it's a noise.
You ready?
Okay, somebody said I need to put, I guess, my phone where I can reach it.
Alright, here we go. Be careful.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Ben, you do a great job leading. Thank you.
Damn it.
No, I'm changing.
Messing with my watch. Although actually,
Falling up there.
not having my sunglasses is easier because those were not good sunglasses for climbing. With that vision thing in there.
How did you break them? Are they fixable?
They're not completely broken. They cracked in the center part.
I'm having like Central Park flashbacks.
You have to be very careful.
It's very slippery, guys. Actually, yeah, that's not a bad idea.
The rocks are pretty dry. It's the mud. You gotta.
Just step on the rocks.
That way?
Huh?
That way?
Yeah, I think we just keep following these rocks up.
Okay.
I didn't want to get my shoes get dirty yesterday because of my shoes.
These shoes have survived Georgia clay, so I think this mud is okay. Okay. This rock right here, we'll just step on, but it's blue.
Where?
Okay. In the corner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a little confusing, you know?
It's not, the mud's not really bad up here. No, it's more good. It's solid up here. Okay, you get in front of me.
I'm doing a little hands right here.
Yep.
You can right up here for me. You can go that way?
Yeah.
Oh, I broke it.
Oh no, I fixed it.
Look, blue blazes. That's the what you look for.
Oh, okay.
See it on the tree. There's one on this rock right here. If anybody was coming down.
Good to know.
We're not going down that way, right?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably.
I had a few
You probably are going down that way.
That's very. Yeah, it's not. Okay.
Little steps to the left.
Trying to.
Or you can go to the right.
Why to the left?
Oh, my left.
Oh, two steps.
Okay.
Catch your breath if you need it, Brian. Yeah.
Oh, I thought we were at trail.
Well, actually, that seems a little bit easier right there, so.
Wow. That mountain goat to you.
I scrambled on all fours for a lot of it, so.
You did good, Kel.
Ain't no shame in that. This is the part that worried me the most.
Of course, I took this one big step. I'm like, damn, how did Kim do this? She's got little legs. So I told Brian to stick with me because I always take the path of least resistance. I find the easiest way to
Have a little
go,
bit of water.
and that's how I go.
That sounds like a good plan.
Have a little bit of water.
Okay, you want to take some
Or don't
water?
drink any
I'm
water.
good.
Okay. The trail's marked too with that blue, right?
Yes.
Very good. Taylor's coming back to the rest of the
Oh, we're running out of the Brian was an Indian guy. See how it should be a little slip.
I don't know what this. Okay.
Just keep going from blue to blue to blue.
Just grab on to the stick. Or go on all fours.
Go on all fours.
Look at that. Yeah.
I panicked because there was a leaf roughly the same shape as those like little blue things, and it was green. I'm like, oh my god, where'd it go? Wrong one.
Ooh.
Got it?
That one is kind of a big step for me.
How was it you do?
Very different from the climbs we did last year.
Yep.
Yeah.
You guys getting it?
Also thankful for no mule poop.
Yes.
Pretty sure that was horse poop. We can see that in Florida.
I hear other people.
Coming up on the road. Oh no, that's not it. Flat trail ahead, guys. Don't worry. Never mind, non-rocky trail.
Now it's just much bigger rocks.
It's all one big rock.
Which are we going first, the bowl or the beehive?
I'm wondering if this is the split.
Yeah, it is.
You know what doing Canyon Overlook?
This is the split.
Doing Canyon Overlook last year taught me ain't no shame in scrambling on all fours when you got it.
Beehive Trail or the bowl. And this is a nice warning over here.